Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, salmon rolled in seaweed, a simple, fresh, nutritious and attractive dish. How to make ingredients: 250 g fresh salmon, sashimi type, eaten raw, 6 dried seaweed leaves, 1 cucumber, 1 avocado, 1/2 carrot, roasted sesame, optional, a few green onions, only take the green leaves, lettuce/spinach, optional. Soy sauce, wasabi, pickled ginger, gari, optional, sushi rolling bamboo mat, makisu. Steps: wash the salmon gently, pat dry with paper towels. Cut into long, 1.5 centimeters thick sticks, along the length of the fish to make it easier to roll. Avocado, peel, remove seeds. Cut into long sticks similar to the size of the salmon. Cucumber and carrot, peel. Cut into long, thin, bite-sized strips. Scallions and greens, wash and drain. Roll. Place the bamboo mat on a clean cutting board. Place a sheet of seaweed on the bamboo mat, rough side up. Arrange the filling in a neat, straight line on about 1/3 of the seaweed sheet closest to you. Start with a thin layer of greens like lettuce and spinach. Alternately arrange the salmon sticks, avocado, cucumber, carrots, and green onions. Roll, hold the filling firmly with your fingers. Using the bamboo mat, gently roll the first edge of the seaweed over the filling, creating a round, firm roll. Continue rolling tightly and evenly until the seaweed sheet is used. Place the finished salmon roll on a cutting board. Use a sharp knife to cut the roll into bite-sized slices, about 2.5 centimeters thick. Presentation and enjoyment. Arrange the salmon rolls on a plate. You can sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on top to enhance the flavor. Enjoyment. The dish is usually served with soy sauce, shoyu. You can add a little wasabi, green mustard, mixed into the soy sauce to increase the spicy taste, or eat it with pickled ginger, gari, to clean the taste buds. Things to note: salmon quality. It is mandatory to use raw salmon sashimi grade, properly refrigerated to ensure safety. You should use a very sharp knife to cut the roll. It will be much easier and more beautiful. Seaweed. If the seaweed is soft or tough due to humidity, you can lightly heat it over a small fire, or heat it quickly in a pan, for a few seconds to make the seaweed crispy again. When to make: this dish should be made and enjoyed immediately after rolling to ensure the freshness of the salmon and the crispiness of the seaweed. Salmon seaweed rolls is a simple and refreshing variation inspired by sushi or gimbap, but without the complicated sushi rice. This dish combines the rich, omega-3 rich taste of fresh salmon with the refreshing, crunchy taste of fresh vegetables such as cucumber, avocado, carrots, and wrapped in dried seaweed. This is the perfect choice for those who want a snack, an appetizer, or a healthy dish because it is rich in protein, good fats and vitamins, and is very easy to make at home. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is useful, and don't forget to subscribe to see the next delicious dishes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.